Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to fix your active community guideline strikes warning. If you are faced active community guideline strikes warning, you can appeal from your dashboard or monetization tab. Simply click on warning, then read this. Warning, your content was removed due to a violation of our community guidelines. Because it's the first time your account is affected, you are only warned once and this warning will remain on your channel. But if this happens again, your channel will receive a community guideline strike. You won't able to do things like upload, post or live stream for 1 week. If you upload this type of video again, you will get a community strike from YouTube team. So if you want to appeal here, you can click it. Then see that there may be an issue with your content. You have found something that may violate YouTube guidelines. To keep the community safe, we have removed it. In the next two steps, we will ask you to take a look at our content and policy. If you would like to appeal, we will be happy to review your content again. Click review. You can take a look at your content here. If you want to see, you can see your video, which part of can violate YouTube community guidelines, or simply click next. Then here you can see that you want to appeal here. Click I want to appeal. Removing the content doesn't make the sense to me. We will carefully review your content again, but we cannot guarantee particular outcome. If we determine that our content didn't violate policy, your content will be reinstated. That means your content will be given to you if YouTube team couldn't find any violation. But if you want to send them a comment, you can send. I am giving an example here. Dear YouTube team, I'm sorry for uploading this type of video. Actually, I didn't know about the community guidelines properly. Please forgive for the violation community guideline strikes. I assure that I will never upload any video that violate YouTube community guidelines. And thanks for reading. You can simply type it and give here as a comment for the YouTube team, but don't give any contact number, email here. After giving comment, click submit. Now we are seeing that thanks for your review. Did you know the most creators never get a second strike? That means if you get a warning, you will be warned for the next time. Thus you won't get a community strike again. So that's all. Thanks for watching.